Alright, I'm out here at County Road 20, number 2, in just outside Ozark, Alabama. As you can see, we've got a pretty noticeable upgrade here. Appears that someone must have run down the old signal that was here, and now we got this brand new one in its place. No emergency information, I know it's not for some reason, but right here, the new signal has West Golden A's base. Then we have a Siemens gate mechanism. Guessing this is probably an S60. Then we got the lights, which are all West Golden A's 12 by 24 inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs. Alright, there you can see back, and there's one of the LEDs. Up top is an NEG electronic bell. And then we got an NEG LED gate lights on the gate arm, which actually is now perpendicular to the road. Previously it had been like the old ACL signal on the other side there, which I think this might have actually been placed for 2 or 3 tracks here, honestly. But yeah, there's the other signal, unchanged, thankfully. Originally it'd been like that, going parallel to the tracks at a sharp angle to the road, which helped protect this little side street here, County Route 568. But it appears at CSX they did it this way, and I don't know why. I guess it'll be interesting to see if they ever try to put like a signal over there or something. But yeah, brand new signal here. This appears to be the only change to this crossing, thankfully. Glad to see the ACL signal there still remains, but sad to see this one go because it's no longer a pure ACL and stuff. I was kind of halfway expecting at least a new E-bell here, but yeah, I haven't seen that. Thankfully, the WRRS gate making downtown Ozark and the Federal Signal Bell pair and the old Rayco cantilevers further north of that are still around. And however, the gateless crossing further north of here, I believe on State Route 123, that now has an E-bell at it. But yeah, just thought I'd show this quick update here. Over and out.